Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a free AI image editor online. So first of all, you'll have to open up your browser. Then from there, you will have to type in Abria AI. Hit enter. Now from there, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now once you have made your account, you will be in this editor right here. Now in order to upload your images, you will have to click on this add media button right here and then click on upload files right here. And from there you can upload your stuff. For example, I'm just gonna upload this photo right here. Now just click on open and that photo will be uploaded right here. Now what you can do is that you can select the sizes that you want your photo to be created. For example, you can go for landscape, Instagram, story, portrait, YouTube. So you have different aspect ratios which you can choose from. For example, let's say I'm just going to go for YouTube. Now from here you can also change the background color. Just click on it and from here the background will be changed. And here you can also select the border. For example, I'm just going to go for, let's say, 18 pixels. So there the small border has been created right here. Let me just move the background back to white, let's say. Yes, that's good. Let me just move him here. Now the next thing right here is text window. Just click on it and from there you can add text to your video. In here you can select the style. For example, I'm just gonna go for bangers, let's say. You can make the text bold, italic, and you can also align them from these three options right here. Now down below here you have different styles that you can choose from. For example, I'm just gonna go for, let's say, outline style. I'm just gonna first let me just go back to bangles. Collage. So here I've written the text. What you can do is that you can also change the color of the text by just clicking here and choosing a random color that you want. Go for white, let's say. Now here you can change the size of the text. For example, I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna move it to 66 pixels, so it will be larger. Now from here you can select the spacing that will be between the words. For example, I'm just gonna increase it, let's say 20. There will be more spacing. And this is for vertical spacing between the words. If you write multiple lines, I'm just gonna type in a different number. For example, let's say 50. As there aren't multiple lines of my text, so there isn't much change in my text. Now the next thing on our list is this shapes window right here. Just click on it. And in here, down below here, you will have multiple shapes that you can choose from and use in your photos. For example, I'm just gonna say I'm gonna go for this one right here. Now you can also increase its size, decrease it, and you can also move it the way that you want. Now from here you can change the color of that shape. I'm gonna move it this way. So basically the picture you will create will be created in layers. Now from these buttons right here you can bring a selected layer backward or forward. So I want the text on this window right here, so I'm just gonna send it backward so that the text appears here. Now from these bars right here you can adjust the outline of the selected shape. For example, from here you can change the color of the outline. For example, I'm just gonna go for, let's say, white. Now from there you can select the size of the outline. For example, I'm just gonna go for 20, let's say. It's just too big. I'm gonna move it to 10. Yes, that seems good. Now from these bars right here you can adjust the shadow of the shape that you just made. For example, this manages the x-axis. For example, I'm just gonna go move it to 20, let's say. Y-axis 20 also, and b-axis, let's say, 20 as well. So as you can see, the shadow shows right here. So let me just select it back, and you can also select the opacity of the shadow. For example, I'm going to move it to, let's say, 50%. So this is the 51, and 100%. So this is the 100%. So I'm just going to leave it there. Now, if you want a different shape and you don't want any of these shapes right here, what you can do is just click on this add shape button right here. Now you can also draw a line, an arrow, an ellipse, a rectangle, and a polygon. And if you want another shape, you can draw freehand as well. Just click on it and draw whatever you want on your photos. I'm just gonna delete it. Now the next window is the adjust window. By just clicking on it, you can adjust a picture that you uploaded. For example, you can adjust the opacity of the image by just selecting it. It will increase or decrease depending on the cursor. And you can also adjust some other features, for example, the brightness and the contrast as well, the saturation, and also you can adjust the blur in the photo. Now from this window right here, you can remove a certain color from the picture. Just click on this eyedropper tool and select a color that you want removed. But I suggest that don't use this tool yet, but I suggest that don't use this tool yet, as it doesn't give the right results and it will most probably spoil your photo. And lastly, what you can do is that you can bring up multiple pictures in a singular frame that I have right here, and you can edit them together. For example, I am making a collage, so I will have to upload multiple photos. Now, in order to do that, if you have a picture on your frame that I have right here, just click on it and click on lock object right there. And after that, select a different part of the picture, and after that, click on add media. And from there you will have to upload your photos again and use them here. Just click on them. For example, I have right here, and just adjust them on your needs and desires. I'm just going to send it backward so that the text appears on top. You can do the same with this photo as we did with this one right here. Now let's just upload another one. For example, I have this one right here. Wait, images. This one right here. I'm just gonna send it all the way backward for, let's say, kind of background. Just unlock it again and move it here, over there. So here, as you can see, 3 pictures in a singular frame have all been edited together, and you can use the text, and you can also edit each photo differently. As I told you here, you can add different text, shapes, and you can also resize the picture according to your needs and desires. And after you're done with that, you will have to click on this export button right here, and from here you can choose the format in which it will be saved and click on export image. Wait for it to be uploaded here. Now after it has been uploaded, you will have to click on this download button right here, and from there you can save it and you will have your photos edited. So that's pretty much it, and that was a free AI image editor online. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.